sirP. Who send you, boy? Who send you off a vubz cartel? Eh? You not answer me? Yo, sirP. Now ask you again. Who the fuck send you? Who send you off a vubz cartel and him lawyer? Eh? Who send you, boy? Eh? Because we know them send you, you know. It look like somebody put a leech in your mouth, you know, boy. And I control you because you come out and I talk about politics business. Tell them all I talk about politics watch and all of them shit there. I don't know where go on, you know. But it look like somebody put a leech in your mouth, you know. So now, you know, you start target ghetto youth, you know. Watch what you are doing, you know, boy. You hear me? I said to you, because I ask you, you know, who send you? You know what I mean? Because somebody have to send you. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Remember how you come out, you know, my brother. You see what I say? And you want to come out now, you want to talk about ghetto youth and want to talk about a bag of nonsense we go on all long ago and you not put nothing in place for the future of the youth them. You not talk about infrastructure. You not talk about rascal trade. You not talk about factory. You see what I say? You not talk about somewhere decent way for put the vendors them for hustle them money. You not talk nothing about that. You not talk about education. Nothing like that, my brother. And them thing they depend. A be a destructive thing they depend. The internet way. You see what I say? And I go like say, you want to deal with some little gimmicks thing and things say 10 star I go laugh with you. We don't work them way there, you know. First thing, junglist not apologize to no sissy boy. Yeah, this ghetto you 10 star about your boy. You see what I say? I don't know, joke shit. You know what I mean? And some people I go like say, them want get act up. And I go like say them a clown. You know what I mean? All because them up in your look up. Joke enthusiasm. Where you have up some soap opera thing. Because you know the most of the ladies them like the suspense business. And that's all you run up on the channel and do. You see what I do? So I say, so when I say bun sissy boy, I want to not vex. I don't know joke shit. For the world it's not a plan. Just watch what I go on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise, the chosen one. The 10-star general. I don't know where it go already, you know. When I come for representing, you know, a full effective. I don't know where it go. And I load up. Aim. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey. I don't know a loud explosion but you know. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo. A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yeah, Gaza Nation. No gimmicks not there in it. No lollipop thing not dead about it. We want to know who send that boy there. Because obviously somebody send him. You see what I say? Yeah, this is not how he start out on YouTube. You hear me? As somebody send him. You know what I mean? No, yeah. Somebody put a leech on him. You see what I deal with? And them have to stop in politics watch business and stop. Lick out on even the politician them. You see what I say? Him have to change him mode. And start talk about some long time bad man and all them shit there and some long time cases a war go on and all them shit there. And them thing they matter about. You see what I say? So somebody who put a leech on him, so it look like him like be controlled by man. Yo, what's your address, boy, sirP? Me have a pink leech here, you know, a cat leech. A pink one. Because you like be controlled by people. You see what I say? Yeah, no gimmicks business, not there in it. We not laugh with it. I don't know gimmicks business. You think you and your local joke shit where you deal with can bring down vubz cartel. Not Gaza Nation, not disrespect the man lawyer, talk about some fuckery, all I run up and thing, and I talk about the man lawyer, a lie, and all of them shit there, and I talk about TVJ bigger than Bumbucklad Fox Swipe, get more views and what the fuck you at? Where you talk about? Where I trick and I elude the people them, you know? Eh? Tell me no man. You know I'm nowhere in the 50 blood clot state where Jamaica bigger than. Scut out your fuckery and stop your fuckery, you know what I mean? Cause you're a big clown thing. You tell the people them, you know. And I go like, you know, no sense, you know. You know what I mean? I don't know, joke shit, you know. We not laugh with it, you know. So when you go on and I run your mouth and I go like a big cloud and them shit there and I run your mouth and feel like say you talk nothing where you think you can bring down Gaza or nothing like that, you know. I true you talk to some clown people, you know, my brother. Because by right, you know, with a big platform, you know, you're supposed to, you know, try, you know, set something, you know, where even the government them, you know, and even the politicians them can listen, you know, and try to put things in place, you know, how to help out the youth them, you know, how to cool down on crime and violence, you know, and all of them shit there, you know. You're supposed to talk about infrastructure, you know, trade and them shit there, you know, get you busy, you know, get you off of the road, you know. You know what I mean? What about the youth them with up on the street of your white car glass? What happened to the homeless youth them? You not talk nothing about them. You not put nothing in place to them. What happened to the youth them when I no mother and father? Eh? What happened to the youth them where I run wild on the street where any man can elude them in any wrongdoing thing and wrong activity all because him not no parents behind him. Him not no foundation there to stand up to him. What happened to them youth there? Eh? Them not exist here. I just be a gunman. Be a bad thing. And when you want done, you want come talk about vubz Kartel and I give the man some ridiculous name. You know what I mean? No wonder why you have to hide your face, my brother. Because you can't call people name in a them little fool manner and fool fashion there and think you can just do that and everything cute and crisp. No at all no go like that no, my brother. That's why you have to hide your face and you have to hide your voice. You see what I say? Because you're not credible. I'm a been to tell you that already. See, I'm a lonesome style. Your teeth and I go like you're tough and you too. You're not. You know what I mean? And 10 star and I rate you for that. No form of joke shit. You know what I mean? You're the organization. Now wait for the place to open up because here we are going. We're going to run. We're going to run. We're going to run a COVID test. You see what I say? Yeah. You don't know a full moon. I'll be flying out very soon. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that about it. No a 10 star I represent. I don't know a Gaza way there ain't no other way. And here I say, boy, sirP, I'm going to ask you for the last time. Who send your boy? Who have the leech on your boy? Eh? Who controlling your boy? Or who pay you for do them stuff, yeah? Yo, you now can bring down vubz Kartel, nah Gaza Nation. Furthermore, nobody in a Jamaica now have nothing to do with vubz Kartel and the Privy Council. You hear that? Yeah. Them not really upset intruders in them shit. You know what I mean? A justice and law them deal. You hear that? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. But if you want to do something big like oh you have so much people, eyes and ears are listening boy. Talk about infrastructure. Talk about factory, like how them used to have free zone and them places. So the ladies them can hustle and make them money. Talk about trade for the youth, them keep them busy making money. So them not fair take up himself and run behind nobody if he got steal nothing or do nothing illegal. You see what I say? Talk about education for the youth them. Talk about taking off the youth them off the street where wipe the car glass and put them in facility where you see what I deal like you make them be a better man tomorrow. You see what I say? Talk about the future and stop talking about the gun violence you go on way back now the days and bad man business because that's not doing nothing for the country and it's worse and I do nothing for the youth them. I mean I know how you're so pathetic on your blood clot channel and have a bag of people listen to you and you crap my brethren. And the general you know 10-star one represent Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10-star general.
9 o'clock that one you're working on.
9 o'clock that one. So that one there?
Yeah, I must have one but that one you see a talk across from the Trace Bank.
Yeah. Who that talk that one?
Charming. The one there right there, sir.
I'll check them and come back.